Tsai was born in Taipei, Taiwan, into a family that valued education and hard work. His father, a prominent lawyer, encouraged him to think globally and pursue excellence. Tsai's journey took him to the U.S., where he attended the Lawrenceville School and then Yale University, earning degrees in economics, East Asian studies, and law. This unique blend of skills gave him a powerful perspective on international business. After Yale, Tsai joined Sullivan and Cromwell in New York, learning the intricacies of corporate law and finance. Craving more impact, he moved into private equity, first at Rosecliff, then at Investor AB, where he scouted investments across Asia. Tsai's experience taught him how to spot talent and potential, especially in the emerging internet sector of the late 1990s. It was at Investor AB that he first heard about a small, ambitious startup in Hangzhou, China, led by a former English teacher. That encounter would soon change his life, and the world of e-commerce, forever. In 1999, while at Investor AB, Tsai traveled to Hangzhou to meet Jack Ma, founder of a fledgling company called Alibaba. Ma's vision and charisma captivated Tsai, even though the business plan was still rough. At the time, Tsai was earning $700,000 a year. Ma could only offer $50 a month. Despite the massive pay cut and the risk, Tsai saw a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to help build something revolutionary. With his wife's support, he left his lucrative job and moved to China, joining Alibaba's founding team as the only Western-educated member. Tsai brought essential skills the team lacked, becoming a co-founder and architect of the company's future. His leap of faith is now legendary, a reminder that the biggest rewards often come from the boldest risks. Tsai's decision wasn't just about money, it was about purpose and the chance to shape a new era. He became a creator, not just an investor. That gamble would define his legacy. At Alibaba, Tsai became the architect behind the company's structure and growth. While Jack Ma inspired the team, Tsai built the corporate engine, establishing legal frameworks, financial systems, and professional standards. As CFO and COO, he managed finances, legal matters, and HR, transforming chaos into a scalable business. Tsai introduced Western-style corporate governance, ensuring Alibaba could attract global investors and grow responsibly. His steady hand kept the company stable through rapid expansion and fierce competition. Tsai's partnership with Ma was the perfect balance of vision and execution. Behind every major decision, Tsai's strategic thinking was crucial. Without his methodical approach, Alibaba's dream might never have become reality. Tsai's deal-making was vital to Alibaba's survival and explosive growth. He secured a $5 million investment from Goldman Sachs in 1999, giving Alibaba credibility and cash. In 2000, he landed a $20 million investment from SoftBank, led by Masayoshi Son, fueling Alibaba's rise. Tsai's negotiation with Yahoo in 2005 brought in $1 billion, but he later orchestrated Alibaba's buyback of half Yahoo's stake for $7 billion, regaining control. His crowning achievement, leading Alibaba's 2014 IPO, raising $25 billion, the largest in history. Tsai's focus was always on long-term positioning, not just immediate funding. He chose partners and structured deals to protect Alibaba's future. His calm, strategic approach earned him a reputation as a top dealmaker in tech. These deals weren't just about money, they were the foundation of Alibaba's empire. Tsai's ability to see the big picture set Alibaba apart. Every negotiation was a step toward global dominance. His legacy as a master strategist is cemented in Alibaba's success. In September 2023, Tsai became chairman of Alibaba, steering the company through a new era of competition and innovation. He and CEO Eddie Wu refocused Alibaba on its core strengths, e-commerce and cloud computing. Tsai's boldest move is a $50 billion investment in AI and cloud infrastructure, ensuring Alibaba stays at the forefront of technology. In early 2025, Alibaba announced a landmark partnership with Apple. Its AI will power features on iPhones in China. This alliance puts Alibaba's technology in millions of hands and cements its status as a global AI leader. Tsai's strategy is clear: streamline the company, focus on growth areas, and lead in AI. He's selling non-core assets, sharpening Alibaba's focus for the future. Under Tsai, Alibaba is not just adapting, it's reinventing itself for the next generation. His disciplined, forward-thinking leadership is driving Alibaba's resurgence. Tsai is ensuring Alibaba's relevance and leadership for years to come. Tsai's journey from lawyer to billionaire offers powerful lessons in business and finance. His net worth, over $8 billion, stems from trading a high salary for equity in a startup. Tsai's story shows that owning a piece of a growing business can be far more valuable than a big paycheck. He believes in investing in innovation, directing billions into AI and cloud technology to keep Alibaba ahead. Tsai's focus on core strengths, selling off distractions and doubling down on what works, has been key to Alibaba's success. He rewards shareholders through dividends and buybacks, valuing loyalty and partnership. For young people, Tsai's example is clear: invest in your skills, focus on what you do best, and think long-term. Success comes from calculated risks, constant learning, and sharing rewards. Tsai's financial wisdom is a blueprint for building lasting value. Tsai's influence extends far beyond tech. He's a major force in global sports and investing. He owns the Brooklyn Nets and New York Liberty, bringing strategic vision to both men's and women's basketball. Tsai's passion for lacrosse led him to own the San Diego Seals and co-own the Las Vegas Desert Dogs, plus stakes in the Premier Lacrosse League and LAFC Soccer. Through Tsai Sports and Blue Pool Capital, he invests in startups, real estate, and more, diversifying his wealth worldwide. Tsai's approach to sports is serious business. He applies the same strategic thinking as he did at Alibaba. His investments support the growth of women's sports and emerging leagues. Even as a billionaire, Tsai practices smart diversification and long-term planning. From private equity to global mogul, his story is one of vision, courage, and relentless strategy. Tsai is more than a businessman. He's a builder, a champion, and an inspiration. His legacy is not just in companies but in the next generation of leaders and dreamers.